Have you ever wanted to learn about coding, programming, developing? Well, you're in the right place. Hello! In this video, I'm gonna start a series of videos to help you start or become better in programmer world or developer world. In those first videos, I'm gonna bring the basic concepts of coding using JavaScript language. But you know what? You can use most of languages out there because what I'm gonna show you are the key concepts and they can be translated in any other programming language. So no further ado, let's get started. What is coding? It's an act of creating a set of instructions for machines to follow. Basically, when you code, you are giving instructions for machines of what to do. And remember, machines, not only computers. Computer is just a type of machine. With it, we can make a lot of things, from static websites to a vast complex bank app. This power is what we use to control machines and use them to fulfill our necessities, for good or bad. See how great is that responsibility? That's why I want you to be aware of the power you have. Coding and technology in general can either help or hurt people. Well, I hope you make good use of this knowledge. You can imagine code being a vast area and, of course, can be also used in other tech areas. For example, a lot of companies use code to get analytics from its projects, and in some cases, those people are not developers or programmers at all. So, even if you do not work as a developer or programmer, it's really nice to know what code can do, not just to understand your company's project, but also understand the world itself. Because we all know that world is getting more and more apps and becoming more tech. To teach the concepts of coding, I need to clarify what is the difference between a developer and a programmer. Yes, it's very subtle, but has a difference. What is important for us is what is a software developer, a professional that can manage code, writing, debugging, and creating tests, but also can be part of the design and planning the software. Most likely working with more than just tech people, for example, stakeholders and users. On the other hand, programmer is a professional that can also manage code, writing, debugging, and creating tests. But that's it. They're gonna be specialized at coding, most likely taking a blueprint from the developer. They are professional at writing instructions, knowing how to make performance better, and other high specialized language features. Now that you know the difference, I will call a lot of developer terms, because what I'm gonna teach here can be used in a lot of coding areas, not only for specific language. Since we're talking about this, let's introduce you to our language used in this course, JavaScript. This is one of the most used language in the world and can be used in a lot of situations. One being the web. In general, we can divide web workflow into three main languages: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If we think in a process of building a house, HTML will be the structure, the beams, which holds the house on the ground. CSS will be the painting, decoration, walls, all that makes the house beautiful, comfortable for eyes. And JavaScript will be the functional part, like doors, water pipes, power cables, everything that you as a person can interact with it. And this third part is our protagonist here, for now. In the next videos, we're gonna break down what are variables, conditional logics, functions, arrays, objects, and much more. All the basic concepts of coding. I created a playlist where we'll be updated with the recent videos in this series, so check it out in the description, and also check out our reference for this video. All the links are here. Have a great week and see you in the next video. Bye!